What will water do?
Make it steam. But we don't have any fire extinguishers in anyone.
Yes, we do.
Have you ever seen a plate lit on fire?
If you put a match, if you light a match, toss it on the plate, or if you put a bomb on the plate and then it goes.
Oh, Henry.
Then what's on fire?
We do have a fire extinguisher.
Then what's on fire? The plate.
You're getting
is on
applesauce
fire.
in your hair.
The plate
Yucky.
is not a consumable item. It does not.
That's yucky.
Fire does not consume it.
I mean, fire does not make food.
Fire.
You said consume. You mean consumer.
There's a lot of definitions of consumer.
Wait,
I see you.
wait, do we have a fire extinguisher?
Oh, by the way,
Do we have a fire extinguisher?
I need to get a suit
don't know.
or something.
Sit down.
I need to get some.
Mommy
nice
said
Go stand by the microwave, please, and just be quiet. The hogs go in on a belt or up a ramp. They get on a belt, and it drops them down, so the belt is here and their legs are hanging down, and then it squishes their heads and on the sides, and there's not tentacles, but there's like feathers, metal tip feathers, and it stuns them to death, electrocutes them. And I go, so what happens when they come out the end? He goes, oh, they're put in a dump truck. I go, to be processed? He goes, oh no, this is in case of emergency. In case there's a disease, an outbreak, that they have to kill the entire
Crazy.
flock, not flock.
It's
Stop.
7. It's 7.